Our Earth, a swirling sphere of blue and green, is the fifth largest planet in our solar system, and the only one we know of that harbors life. Floating in the vast expanse of space, Earth is a remarkable planet. With a diameter of about 8,000 miles, it's large enough to have a strong gravitational pull that keeps us grounded, but not so large that its gravity prevents the existence of our atmosphere. Earth orbits the Sun, our very own star, at an average distance of 93 million miles. This distance is just right for life to thrive. It's close enough to receive the Sun's life-giving energy, but not so close that we're scorched by its heat. Our planet basks in the warmth of the Sun, receiving just the right amount of energy to sustain life. Speaking of our atmosphere, it's a delicate and crucial layer of gases that surrounds our planet. This protective blanket is composed mainly of nitrogen and oxygen, with trace amounts of other gases like carbon dioxide, which helps regulate Earth's temperature. The existence of liquid water, a breathable atmosphere, and a suitable temperature range makes Earth a unique and precious planet, a true oasis in the vastness of space. The Earth's atmosphere is a delicate shroud of gases that envelops our planet, acting as a protective shield against the harsh realities of space. It's this very atmosphere that allows us to breathe, regulates our climate, and protects us from harmful solar radiation. Composed primarily of nitrogen, about 78%, and oxygen, about 21%, the atmosphere also contains trace amounts of other gases, such as carbon dioxide, argon, and water vapor. These gases, though present in smaller quantities, play crucial roles in maintaining the delicate balance of our planet. The atmosphere is structured into distinct layers, each with its own unique characteristics. The troposphere, the layer closest to Earth's surface, is where weather phenomena occur. Above it lies the stratosphere, home to the ozone layer that absorbs most of the Sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation. Our atmosphere is not static. It's a dynamic system, constantly in motion, driven by solar energy and Earth's rotation. This constant movement results in the weather patterns that shape our daily lives. Beneath its serene exterior, Earth is a dynamic and restless planet. Its interior a cauldron of molten rock and immense pressure. Imagine, if you will, that you could slice through the Earth like a giant apple. You would find that our planet is structured like an onion, with distinct layers. At Earth's heart lies the core, a sphere of solid iron and nickel. The intense pressure at Earth's center keeps the inner core solid, despite temperatures exceeding 9,000 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than the surface of the Sun. Surrounding the solid inner core is the outer core, a layer of liquid iron and nickel. The movement of this molten metal generates Earth's magnetic field, a protective shield that deflects harmful solar wind. Above the core lies the mantle, a thick layer of hot, dense rock that behaves like a very viscous fluid over geological timescales. The mantle is in constant motion, driven by convection currents caused by the heat from the Earth's core. The outermost layer, the one we live on, is the crust. The Earth's crust is broken into several large pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are in constant motion, albeit very slowly, moving a few centimeters each year. The interactions between these tectonic plates are responsible for shaping Earth's surface, creating mountains, volcanoes, and earthquakes. Section 4. The Rhythms of Earth: Weather, Climate, and Seasons. Earth's atmosphere is a restless and dynamic system, constantly in motion, driven by the Sun's energy and our planet's rotation. This ceaseless dance of air and water vapor gives rise to the weather patterns that shape our daily lives. Weather refers to the short-term atmospheric conditions at a particular time and place. It's the rain that falls, the wind that blows, the sunshine that warms us, and the snow that blankets the ground. Climate, on the other hand, represents the long-term average weather patterns of a region. It's the difference between a tropical rainforest with its year-round warmth and humidity and a polar desert with its frigid temperatures and icy landscapes. Earth's seasons are another fascinating aspect of our planet's climate system. The tilt of Earth's axis of rotation at about 23.5 degrees causes different parts of the planet to receive varying amounts of sunlight throughout the year. This variation in solar energy is what drives the cyclical changes in seasons, from the warm summers to the cool winters. Earth's magnetic field, generated by the movement of molten iron in its outer core, acts as an invisible shield, protecting us from the onslaught of charged particles streaming from the sun, known as the solar wind. Section 5. Water. Water everywhere. Earth's hydrosphere. One of the most striking features of our planet, when viewed from space, is the abundance of water that graces its surface. Earth is often called the blue planet, and for good reason. Over 70% of its surface is covered in this life-giving liquid. This vast, interconnected web of water, encompassing oceans, lakes, rivers, ice caps, groundwater, and even the moisture in the atmosphere, is collectively known as Earth's hydrosphere. The hydrosphere plays a vital role in regulating Earth's climate, shaping landscapes, and supporting a breathtaking diversity of life. The oceans, vast saltwater bodies that hold about 97% of Earth's water, are teeming with life, from microscopic plankton to gigantic whales. They act as massive heat sinks, absorbing and distributing solar energy, moderating temperatures, and influencing weather patterns. Freshwater sources, such as lakes, rivers, and groundwater, are essential for terrestrial life, providing drinking water for humans and animals, irrigating crops, and supporting diverse ecosystems. Section 6. Life as we know it. Earth's biosphere and human impact. Our Earth is teeming with life, a vibrant tapestry of diverse organisms, all interconnected and interdependent. From the tiniest bacteria to the largest whales, life on Earth occupies nearly every nook and cranny of our planet, from the depths of the oceans to the highest mountain peaks. This living layer of Earth, where life exists and interacts with its environment, is known as the biosphere. The biosphere encompasses all living organisms, as well as the physical environments they inhabit. Within the biosphere, life is organized into ecosystems, communities of organisms interacting with each other and their physical surroundings. These ecosystems, such as forests, grasslands, deserts, and coral reefs, exhibit a remarkable balance, with each species playing a crucial role. However, the very existence of this delicate balance is under threat. Human activities, driven by population growth, technological advancements, and unsustainable consumption patterns, have begun to leave a significant mark on our planet. Climate change, pollution, deforestation, and habitat loss are just a few of the challenges facing Earth's biosphere.